Standing crossover toe touches. Let's go. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Reach your right hand to your left toe, twist your core. Back up, now left hand to right toe, keep switching side. Breathe steady, keep your back straight, core tight. Twist and reach, feel that stretch. Stay strong, you've got this. Last few seconds, reach and twist. And done. Great job. Dynamic chest stretch, let's begin. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Arms out wide at shoulder height. Now swing your arms forward, give yourself a big hug. Open your arms wide again, feel the stretch across your chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as you open. Keep your core tight, stand tall. Inhale as you open, exhale as you hug. Keep moving open and close. Feel your chest open up and your shoulders loosen. Just crossover crunch, ready? Let's go. Lie on your back, hands behind your head. Lift your right shoulder, twist, bring your right elbow to your left knee. Back down, switch sides, left elbow to right knee. Keep your core tight, don't pull on your neck. Exhale as you twist up, inhale as you lower down. Stay steady, twist and crunch, side to side. Feel your obliques working. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Arms down by your sides. Press through your heels, lift your hips up high. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Hold for a second, then lower down slowly. Lift again, squeeze, then lower with control. Keep your core tight, don't arch your back too much. Push through your heels, feel your glutes working. Up and down, stay strong. Mountain climbers, let's go. Start in a strong plank position, hands under your shoulders. Keep your core tight, back straight. Drive your right knee toward your chest. Switch left knee to chest, quick and strong. Keep your hips low, move fast but stay in control. Run those knees in, like you're climbing a mountain. Breathe steady, exhale as you drive the knees. Keep your shoulders over your wrists. Crunch kicks, let's go. Sit back slightly, lean on your hands behind you for support. Lift your legs up, bend your knees. Now kick your feet out straight, then pull your knees back in. Out and in, keep your core tight. Kick out, squeeze your abs, bring it back in smooth. Breathe out as you kick, breathe in as you pull in. Stay steady, no swinging. Keep your chest up, shoulders back. Feel those lower abs working. Abdominal crunches, let's go. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Place your hands lightly behind your head, don't pull your neck. Lift your shoulders off the floor, crunch up. Squeeze your abs at the top, then lower down with control. Exhale as you crunch up, inhale as you lower. Keep your lower back on the floor. Small, controlled movements, feel your core working. Crunch up, squeeze, lower down slow. Box push UPS, let's go. Come down on all fours, hands under your shoulders, knees on the floor. Keep your back straight, core tight. Lower your chest toward the floor, elbows bend back at about 45 degrees. Stop when your chest is just above the floor, then push back up strong. Lower down slow, push up steady. Keep your head in line with your spine. Breathe in as you lower, breathe out as you push up. Feel your chest, shoulders, and arms. Cat-cow pose, let's begin. Come onto all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Take a deep breath in, drop your belly down, lift your head and tailbone, this is cow pose. Exhale, round your spine up toward the ceiling, tuck your chin to your chest, this is cat pose. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the chest, cow. Exhale, round the back, tuck the chin, cat. Keep flowing with your breath. Feel your spine stretch and loosen. Inhale, lie on your stomach, legs straight back, tops of your feet on the floor. Place your hands under your shoulders, elbows close to your body. Take a deep breath in, press into your hands and gently lift your chest off the floor. Keep your elbows slightly bent, shoulders away from your ears. Lift through your chest, don't crunch your neck, look slightly forward or Feel the stretch in your abs and the front of your body.